Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna be duping my banana in Animal Company. I already have rubber duckies and all that stuff. So I wanna be duping this banana with the duping machine in Animal Company. Sorry. I have the key card, I have the rubber duckies, and obviously I need the banana. So I need another bag.
Ah! It's me, I'm back.
Yeah, no.
I
Sorry.
accidentally left the lobby, so I couldn't get to you.
Yeah.
So what do we do now?
I'm trying to dupe this banana.
Hey bro, I recommend, so what are we gonna do?
This banana.
Can I have
So, something happened. My friend joined. So yeah. Guess we're doing this with my friend.
I guess, do I just buy myself an adventure backpack?
Dude.
That's the best one I own.
Can you buy me some glow sticks? I've currently run out of my thing. Put them in this bag.
You ran out of money?
No, I haven't run out of money. There's a cooldown when you buy too much stuff.
Oh yeah, bro. The light is floating right here.
No, it's not. I can buy some more stuff now.
Bro, I think it got to max. Oh.
Yep, is that max?
So I guess
So I've got everything we need. I got rubber duckies, keycard, banana, which I want to do.
I'm just gonna.
Wait, hold on.
What banana?
Do you want this bag instead? Do you want this bag? It's better. Oh,
a country backpack.
Yeah.
Oh crap! I can buy broccoli like literally right now.
Yeah, I'm on my cooldown.
Oh, look, I literally own broccoli. See. But
I also own broccoli.
I'm bigger than you. I bet you can't catch up to me.
Guys, in this next part, you're gonna see my friend died, so I just thought I would put this in the video. Hey guys, and we're here at the machine, finally. We had a few pauses, my friend died.
Hey, my grabber disappeared.
A few mistakes, as you might be able to say. That bag is absolutely useless. Yes! It's literally almost full. Okay. So, I am trying to duplicate this banana. If I throw in the backpack, hopefully it doesn't put it down. And then, did it go down? It went up! Let's go! Both the bars are full. Okay, now, so what we're gonna do now is, hold on guys, sorry. We're gonna put this banana in. I need the key card. Oh my god, this is gonna be so funny. Unless it doesn't work. Yes! Oh my god, it worked. Okay. Oh, look at the small banana. Okay, so guys, it worked. Okay, so that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Bye. Hopefully you enjoyed.